Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to show you the greatest rug pull of all time. The token I am referring to is the Squid Game token. Right here, as you can see on CoinMarketCap, this is the token that got rug pulled recently, and currently it is trading at around $0.22. Someone actually recorded the exact time of the rug pull, and I am going to show you that video right now. Now, this guy caught the entire move on stream when the price of this Squid Game token was at the $3,000 level with a market cap of over $2.1 trillion. As you can see, at this exact point was before the rug pull, and short after, there was a massive crash. Now, let's watch. As you can see, that was the massive candle, and this was done in seconds, and the coin went exactly to zero. There is something crazy I need to show you right now. If we go over to the price chart of this Squid Game token, and as you can see, right here at the 21st of October was when this coin started trading. And if we go forward, you would see that this coin has been going in the upward direction. And short after, the coin had a massive wick to the downside. As you can see, after going above $3,000. So when it went above $3,000, it went crashing down to about $0.003467. A massive rug pull that happened recently. And I wanted to just share this with you because this is one of the downside in crypto. Most coins in the crypto space easily get rug pulled after 1 to 5 days of listing in an exchange. This rug pull is mainly done with decentralized exchanges. But let me show you something amazing right now. If we go forward in price, you would see that after the price went down to absolute zero, it continued to trade in the upward direction. That means a lot of people were still buying this token after this massive crash to the downside. A lot of people knew that this was a scam coin and are currently still trading this coin. You can see right here that there is over $20 million in daily trading volume. This right here shows that a lot of people are willing to risk a lot, hoping that this coin is still going to go up to the $1,000 to $3,000 level. These are the transactions currently. This shows that people are still trading this coin at this exact time. I want to remind you all that most of the coins you see here that are newly listed on a decentralized exchange are mostly going to get rug pulled in a short period of time. Always do your own research before investing in any crypto coin or token. And if you want a well-detailed video on how to spot coins that can easily get rug pulled, you should please give this video 500 likes. I will try and show you what you need to know to avoid all these scam projects. And if you want more content like this, you should try subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot, and I would really appreciate it if you do so. This is going to be it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.